No, I don't use.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
And garlic. Okay. Garlic paste and egg and cook to that pig and soda well with oil and egg and garlic. And after this one and capsicum, onion and green chili. And after put little bit this one sesame
Okay.
and little bit and another time soda away this vegetable. Let us see. And after put the little bit pieces of roti. Okay. And after soda will go this one. It's a flow no, we won't throw it away.
Hmm?
It's a flow.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Now like a crispy. See?
Ah, yeah.
And after added some little bit soy sauce
Ah, okay.
and little bit fish sauce. This one.
Hmm.
And after little bit oyster sauce. Yeah. And after little bit tomato sauce. Then after this piece of searing chicken
Okay.
and put this. Okay?
Okay.
And little bit salt,
Okay.
chicken flavored stock powder
Okay.
and little bit sugar
Hmm.
and little bit, what is this?
Pepper.
No,
No?
this is oregano.
Ah.
And put after now tell me what is this?
Pepper.
Yes. And after we want to add this one.
Okay.
Carrots. This from me to you.
Okay, thank you.